হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম গাইস, কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করে সবাই ভালো আছেন। অনেকদিন পরে আরও একটা ব্লগ আনতেছি। আজকের ভিডিওটা হবে পিসি বিল্ড নিয়ে। কখনো পিসি বিল্ড নিয়ে কখনো ভিডিও করি নাই, আজকে ভিডিও করতেছি। আমার সাথে আছে সৈকতের পিসি বিল্ড করতেছি। সৈকত হচ্ছে যে আমার কি হবে বাতিজা, আমার বাবার বাতিজা হলে আমার ভাই হবে না? হ্যাঁ ভাই। তো এই ছোটো ভাইয়ের জন্য করতেছি, পিসি বিল্ড করতেছি। তো কেমনে হয়, কি হয় না হয় সবগুলো বলতেছি। তো আজকে এনজয় করবো পুরো ভিডিও।
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
সো গাইজ, আমরা এখন হচ্ছে যে এটা অ্যাসেম্বল করতেছি। এতক্ষণ উইন্ডোজ দিলাম এমনি মেনু খুলে, এখন জাস্ট হচ্ছে আপনার এটা করতেছে ক্যাচিংয়ের সাথে মাদারবোর্ড, ফ্যান সব কিছু অ্যাডজাস্ট করে এখন লাগাবো। তারপরে দেখবেন লাস্টে কেমন হয়।
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. 'Cause I know you